In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress posts or pages. This is a handy feature that helps readers quickly navigate through content, especially if your posts are long and detailed. By the end of this session, you will be confident and ready to incorporate this useful feature seamlessly into your WordPress site. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. This platform is not just a great tool for building your site. It also manages all of your content seamlessly. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log in to your account. If you look towards the top right of the web page, you should spot the Login button easily. Click on it and enter your credentials. If you haven't been active for a while, don't worry. WordPress often keeps you logged in. However, it's always good practice to remember your credentials just in case. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard acts like the control center of your site, where you can manage all aspects of your posts and pages. This is where you'll begin the process of adding the table of contents. If you're not sure how to get there, look for a direct link or a dashboard icon. It's usually one of the most prominent interfaces once you're logged in. Next, you want to identify either the post or page where you'd like to add the table of contents. Click on Posts or Pages, depending on where your content is housed. This is straightforward. Just select the one you wish to enhance with a table of contents. Now that you've opened a post or page, locate the plus block button, typically found at the top left corner of the editing interface. It features a small plus sign and is your gateway to adding any kind of block you might want within your post or page. Clicking on this opens a wide array of options for content blocks. Once the block menu is open, head over to the search bar and type Table. You're searching specifically for Table of Contents. This will filter the available blocks that match your search criteria, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through endless options. As the Table of Contents block appears, click on it to add this feature to your post or page. The location of your new table of contents will depend on where your cursor is, so be mindful to place it where it logically fits within your content structure. And that's it. You've successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress site. Remember, this feature not only makes your content more reader-friendly, but also enhances the overall user experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your content management a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy blogging!